When this glass panel was vandalized with heavy scratch graffiti, the damage looked permanent. Because the interior surface was protected with a special security film, replacing the entire unit was the only traditional option, and the customer was facing a bill of nearly $9,000. Instead of replacing the glass, we brought in the GlassRenu Restoration System, a proven solution for removing deep scratches and restoring clarity without replacement.
Time to clean, make it gleam, restore the glass, let it gleam, clear again like a crystal stream. No more scars, no hidden past, shining bright, the glass will last. Crackling tale of a restless hand, etched chaos in a quiet land.
After the initial grinding phase has successfully removed the deep scratch, we now move on to the pre-polish stage of the GlassRenu Restoration System. This step is all about refining the glass surface. Using a series of progressively finer abrasives, we smooth out the micro scratches left behind from the heavy grind. The goal here is to rebuild optical clarity, reduce distortion, and prepare the glass for the final polish. Each pass brings the surface closer to a clean, uniform finish, setting the foundation for a flawless restoration.
Careless pain, bring the sparkle back again. Through the pain, the world is seen, clean and green, clean and green.
After completing the pre-polish stage, we now move on to the final step of the GlassRenu system, the polish. This is where the glass truly comes back to life. Using a specialized polishing compound in felt pad, we restore full optical clarity, removing any remaining haze and ensuring the surface blends seamlessly with the surrounding glass. With each pass, the finish becomes clearer, brighter, and distortion-free, returning the panel to a like-new condition. This final polish is what completes the transformation from damaged to flawless. In just a fraction of the cost of replacement, we returned the panel to like-new condition, saving our customer thousands of dollars and keeping perfectly good glass out of the landfill. Using a series of precision resurfacing and polishing steps, we carefully worked the damaged area until the scratches were completely removed. No distortion, no haze, just crystal clear glass, fully restored. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel by clicking the link X.